And therefore, we are saying that Parliament will be blamed, not even the President, if at all we will approve the President's increase of fuel VAT from 0% to 8%. And I want to be very categorical and very clear that there is no reduction from 16%. It's an increase from 0% to 8%. And as members of Parliament, we are going to shoot down the proposal from the executive. We are not going to do any amendments. We will bring it down, the whole of it, as it is now. Because we want to ask the executive that if they have no money to fund the government activities, let them drop one of the agendas. The agenda number 4 on housing Kenyans, we don't need it because it's not going to benefit every Kenyan.
We will be able to make it very clear. We have the necessary numbers on Tuesday to overturn the head of the state's memorandum, which is likely to appear in the House on Tuesday.